Lightmine by Crosson Architects stands in the coastal area of Kuaotunu on the Coromandel Peninsula as a holiday residence inspired by a keen understanding of context. The project is not positioned as an iconic object dominating the landscape, but rather as an architectural intervention born from the site's history, an area formerly known for its gold mining activities. Rather than literally reconstructing the historical narrative, the architects translated into a subtle yet conceptual spatial strategy. The house's central idea lies in a vertical element known as a light mine, an architectural reinterpretation of a mine shaft. While traditional mines dig underground to extract valuable materials, light mine mines light from the sky. The soaring roof volume forms a light chimney that captures sunlight during the day and frames moonlight and the stars at night, making light the primary ingredient in shaping the space's atmosphere. Light becomes a constantly moving and changing element, creating a dynamic spatial experience throughout the day. Openings in the light wells are precisely designed to control light penetration, preventing overheating in summer and maximizing sunlight intake in winter. Thus, this passive strategy not only creates a poetic spatial quality, but also enhances the building's thermal performance. The relationship between interior and exterior is designed without rigid boundaries. Wide sliding doors open communal spaces to wooden decks and courtyards, allowing for natural cross-ventilation and a continuous visual connection to the coastal landscape. Rather than separating humans from nature, this house places its inhabitants in direct dialogue with the sea breeze, light, and surrounding vegetation. The massing is fragmented into several pavilions surrounding a central grassy courtyard. This organization creates a fluid spatial hierarchy between communal and private zones. Each unit can function independently, yet remains connected through open outdoor circulation. This strategy not only provides flexibility for extended family use, but also reinforces a layered living experience between indoor, semi-outdoor spaces and the surrounding landscape. The building's materiality emphasizes the connection to the coastal context. The facade is clad in reclaimed swamp tatara wood, providing a rough texture and color that will naturally age over time. This approach is not simply an aesthetic choice, but a sustainability strategy that allows the building to assimilate with its surroundings. Inside, a palette of light woods and natural surfaces creates a warm contrast against the darker, more tactile exterior. Lightmine is more than just a vacation home, but an architectural exploration of how history, landscape, and natural phenomena can be translated into immersive spatial experiences. Through a strong yet quietly executed conceptual approach, this project demonstrates that architecture doesn't always have to stand out to be significant. It simply needs to be present with precision, sensitivity, and depth of thought.